Thi Ripper by G. Morrison. I waken up at 2 o'clock, gaan doen en maak my thee. Val my flask, look out my piece, it's a bonnie ripper day. Doen a herber aboard my boat, I start cranking a hunnel. Furling her feest, she tucks a hood, the reek tucks out the funnel. Put, 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 gangs a lister, is a steamer out. I scrape a fishy, to shine her up, and make sure she tucks, without a doubt. I get out to my groan, and I line up my mark, and shoot awa my line. And nu en een, I gear a yark, I've struck it in, oh it's fine. The line rubs on the gunnel, as I haul her up. The boat it tucks a tumble, as my line goes into a whop. I raid her out as quick as I can, and haul my fishy an hour. But a bit of my line goes into the fan, and gars the engine gone slower. Nu, I didna ken, but I div ken nu, the boat get into gear. The line shot awa, out o'er it did flew. So I roars out, boys a dear. I stop at the engine, and grab at the clip, and started to sort out as mess. I cut out the line, and tried net to flip, and prayed for to give me some grace. And sure enough, I think I'm fine, and the rest of the day it get good. And the codlings I catched, they counted to 9. Fit a day, fit a life, fit a feed.